would be read text from document. So some cases like this itself might be challenging. If it is in a text file or some word document, it is easy. If it is PDF, again it comes into two three cases. If it is scanned PDF, you have to extract the text from the scanned images and then get the text. And one more thing, if it is a normal PDF, you have to use some kind of a PDF readers to get it. In case if it is in a tabular form, then again you have to use some kind of a pre-processing techniques, not pre-processing, some reading techniques to extract the text from such kind of PDF, tabular form PDFs, right? So in it is an Excel, then it is fine. Again, like we know how to get it from there. So these are and if it is images, then again you have to apply OCR, then get those text. So something like that. So this can as well be challenging, but this itself, like depending on your like projects, how the actual data is stored in your project, like depending on that, you can actually read the text. Once you are able to read the text, the next step would be do data cleaning and pre-processing. So maybe something like word tokenization first, word or sentence tokenization, then remove stop words. So something again like maybe punctuation removal. So lowercase, the same thing like what we have discussed, right? And then what else is remaining? So stemming or lemmatization. So once you are done with these things, then next step starts. So where we do a vectorization. Okay, so you now you are converting the text in documents into kind of vectors here, vectors, right? So now this is now in a state to once you are done this, like maybe using TF IDF, or maybe just a bag of words count vectorization, or maybe some like a deep learning based embeddings. So using any method like which we have, right? So you extract it, extract finally the vectors from that, and these vectors you can use it for like ML or DL model training. Okay, and finally prediction. So this will be the workflow in any NLP tasks. Okay, so this is where you have to choose what define your problem, what set of problem in by keeping means like training and test data, and like what will be the training input and what will be the training output. So all those you have to define according to the problem, and then finally the predictions, right? So this is how the workflow will be in case of any NLP problem.